In our previous lesson, we learned about punctuation. So today let's review. What is punctuation? Punctuation is the marks in a piece of writing that makes the meaning clear. There's different kinds of punctuation that we use. Periods tell the reader when to stop. They go at the end of a sentence. Commas tell the readers when to pause. They'll be found in the middle of some sentences. Quotation marks tell the reader when someone is speaking. Exclamation marks are used to tell the reader when there's a strong emotion. These go at the end of sentences. Question marks tell the reader when there's a question. They also go at the end of a sentence. So let's practice. The first one says, "When is your birthday?" What kind of punctuation will we need at the end of that sentence? If you said a question mark, that's right. So number one would say, "When is your birthday?" Example number two says, "Watch out for the lion." What kind of punctuation would you use at the end of that? If you said an exclamation mark, you would be correct. You would be afraid if there was a lion. So you would say, "Watch out for the lion." Example number three says, "I saw a horse galloping down the street." That is a statement, so you would use a period at the end of that example. Example number four says, Alice quickly answered, "I like chocolate ice cream." What kind of punctuation are we missing in this example? If you said quotation marks, you're correct. Since Alice is talking, we would put a quotation mark in front of I and also a quotation mark after cream. Example number five says, "We need lettuce, tomatoes, and bread from the store." What kind of punctuation are we missing from this sentence? If you answered commas, that is correct. We need to put commas in because we are listing items off. So we would need a comma after lettuce and after tomatoes. So today you're going to go and you're going to take the assessment about punctuation at the end of the lesson. If you need to refer back to this document, it'll be posted in the Digging Deeper section. It'll also have the answers on here so that you can see what this looks like.